Hi everyone, I hope all of you are doing well. We're going to take a look at our new weekly folder that's going to be posted on May 20th. This folder is going to be active until May 27th. That's because we have an extra day in there because Monday is Memorial Day, so you don't have to do any schoolwork on Monday. So when you click into this folder, we'll take a look at some of the items that are in there. First is the Captain America workout. This is a PDF document. You've actually did this workout already all the way back in week 2. This is another work, or you can do this workout again inside. You know, if there's a day that it might be raining outside and you can't get outside to play, go ahead and do this workout and then submit the form to us. Now, this next item down here, this form is actually going to be a new activity that you can do. And what I'd like you to do with this activity is basically either play a lifetime game or perform a lifetime activity, which a lifetime game or activity can be pretty much anything that you can think of that you're being active and having fun outside. The only requirement for this is I'd like it to be about 30 minutes or more that you're playing outside. Now, I'm going to have you take a look at this form with me for a minute, and I actually listed a bunch of activities that I think you could do that would count for your half an hour of activity. If you have archery equipment, you can do that for half an hour. If you have bocce balls, you can actually go play bocce in your yard. You could play cornhole for a half an hour. So you could pretty much go down this whole list and you can choose any of these activities to do for a half an hour or more. And if something is not on this list and you'd like to do something else that you're basically active for a half an hour or more, I'd like you to come in, and when you complete this form, where it says other, you're going to actually type in whatever activity you did, and you can submit that. So then this way, Mrs. O'Leary and I will know, what the other activity was. All right. After you select what you did, let me know how long you played it. So was it exactly a half an hour? Did it go maybe 30 minutes to an hour? Or was it even longer than an hour that you actually had a chance to play? And then finally, the last question, I'd like you to list a highlight of something that happened during your game or during your activity that was memorable to you or that kind of stood out that was fun to you, and add that onto this form as well. And then whenever you're finished, go ahead and click submit. So then Mrs. O'Leary and I see whatever you did for your lifetime game or activity. Moving down, you can go on an outdoor walk or jog again. I'd like you to come back, fill out the form, and I think the last question on there this week is I want you to be observant, and on your walk, I want you to find and explain something that was brightly colored. So while you're on your walk, something that really kind of popped and you saw those nice bright colors of spring, try to take a mental note of that and then come and let me know in the form what you saw. You can also finally, if you want, you can do the PE with Joe Wicks. He's again posting videos every day. I have his most recent ones linked, but you can go back and use any of his previous workouts if you enjoy following along online, with a video. Okay, so those are going to be your options for this week. I hope all of you have a wonderful week, and I hope you have a wonderful Memorial Day. All right, everyone, take care. Thanks.